Whatever you do right now, do not picture a pink elephant. If you're like most people, whether you wanted to or not, a pink elephant at least crossed your mind briefly. Maybe it stayed there, maybe it's still there, maybe it just flitted in and out because I told you not to do it, so your brain got rid of it as quickly as possible. But if you're like most people, that pink elephant did make an appearance, however briefly. This is what negative automatic thoughts do to us. We can't control when they come in. When we see something or experience something or we're interacting with someone and we have a negative thought about ourselves or about them or whatever it is, the situation, you don't have control over thoughts that just pop into your head like that, even if you don't want them to. What you do have control over, though, is what you do with them. So thought, feeling, behavior, that's the chain, okay? You have to intervene at a thought level in order to influence your feelings and behavior. So if you have a negative thought, you get to decide what you want to do with it. Are you going to own that and generate a feeling that's responsive to that and then behave accordingly, like lash out or sabotage yourself or don't go after the thing you want, whatever it is, whatever the negative thought drives you to do? Are you going to do that? Or are you going to change the way the feeling, the thought occurs to you so that you can change the feeling behind it and then you can generate the behavior that you want to do? You can generate the behavior that means that you're getting on with your life, that you're putting yourself out there, that you're taking a risk, that you're starting a business, that you're asking someone out, whatever it is. You have the authority, the power, the agency, the ability to change your thinking. Right now, I have a course on this very thing. It's $14, you guys. That's less than like the price of dinner out, really, for one person, if it's a decent dinner. $14 right now. Go to the psychoeducationacademy.com. I'll put that in the caption and look for overcoming negative thoughts. So I'm going to teach you about 14 different types of negative automatic thoughts, antidotes for them in general, how you can refute them, and then 5 questions you can use to dispute any negative thought, wherever it comes from or whatever it's about. And then there's also a video of me disputing negative thoughts, challenging negative thoughts that other people have submitted. Patients, people who've taken the class, whatever, but I go through and dispute those as well. So all of this content, one-time fee of $14, not a subscription, not a monthly fee, one-time fee, $14. You can access the video content. It's quick. It's an hour and a half. You're through the whole protocol. And then you practice every day for 5 minutes or less. You can master this skill. Go to the psychoeducationacademy.com and check out my Overcoming Negative Automatic Thoughts class. There's a video that you can watch for more information before you purchase. If it's not for you, no harm, no foul. But I would love for you to try this course out. It has all kinds of skills and techniques that you can use so that you can change the mostly negative and repetitive thinking that humans are unfortunately tasked with suffering with. You can change it. Change your thoughts, change your life.